Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your headphones Beats Studio Pro with your Android device. You have to start by open Settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list click Pair new device, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to only enter to the Bluetooth, but I need to click on it. After that, at the left ear cup at the bottom, we have power button or system button. You need to press and hold until the LED light starts blinking white. Because we need to enter pairing mode, so we turn on them, keep holding this button. And now it starts blinking white, so we should see them at the device list. And right here we have them. Tap at your earbuds, headphones I mean, and then click pair. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!